This is Jacob Saparshnik, immigration attorney based in San Diego. I wanted to give a quick video summarizing the new provisions of the I-601 Provisional Waiver that just came out this week, January 3rd. So why do we need this waiver for? Well, the waiver is designed to help undocumented immigrants who came to the U.S. without inspection. Even if they marry a U.S. citizen, those kind of immigrants are not eligible to adjust their status unless and until they depart the U.S. and apply for a visa at the U.S. consulate. But once they go out of the country, for them to come back, they have to apply for extreme hardship waiver to be able to come back. Well, the new changes allow you to apply for the waiver inside the U.S. even before you leave. Who qualifies? You have to be over the age of 17. You have to be currently inside the United States. You cannot be in removal or deportation proceedings, and if you had a prior removal or deportation proceedings, that case should be closed now. You need to be married to a U.S. citizen, but not to a U.S. resident. The current new waiver procedures are different than the traditional waiver procedures, where you can actually be married to a resident and that person can still be a qualifying relative. You still need to leave the U.S. at the end of the process. The new provisional waiver rules are not exempting a person from departing. There's a lot of confusion right now where people think that this new waiver process will actually allow them to stay in the U.S. and not ever leave to go to the U.S. Embassy. You will still need to leave the U.S. once the waiver is approved to collect your visa. So it's very important to understand that if your eligibility is anything else but your illegal entry and staying in the U.S. without documents, you may not be safe to come back. So remember, the waiver will only help you to cure one thing: your illegal entry without a visa and your stay in the U.S. all these years without any documents. It doesn't cure a criminal offense, it doesn't cure misrepresentation, it doesn't cure any other crimes. So it doesn't cure a re-entry. If you re-enter the U.S. After you came here once illegally, that waiver is not going to help you. You're going to still be barred for 10 years. So it's very important to understand the qualifications before you apply for this waiver. These are the main provisions of this new change. We hope that this helps you make a decision whether to continue and apply for this waiver. The waiver will be effective March 4th, 2013. So in the next few months, people are going to start getting ready. And any new updates and any new changes, we're going to make sure to post new videos to keep you informed. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and visit our Facebook page. Thank you and have a great day.